Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by validating prerequisites and launching the app projector. Do this now so you avoid mid-setup interruptions. Once the app is updated, grant camera, microphone, storage, and screen capture permissions. These let the software mirror and stream content. Next, pair your device. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network or plug a USB/HDMI cable for a wired connection. While you do that, keep the projector app open and observe its connection status so the next steps proceed smoothly. Now you initiate projection and configure active settings so the image and sound are correct. Tap the target display in the device list and confirm the name and signal quality. Once connected, open display settings to set resolution and aspect ratio. Pick 16:9 for widescreen media. Then route audio. Choose projector speakers for room sound or local device for headphones. While adjusting, test a short video to confirm sync. If latency appears, switch to a lower resolution or a wired connection. To finish, lock orientation and begin your presentation or cast the intended content so viewers see consistent visuals. When done, stop projection from the app and end the session properly. Make sure to revoke any temporary permissions if required for security. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting tip. Restart the app first, then toggle Wi-Fi. If that fails, switch to a USB or HDMI connection and verify both device firmwares are current. These steps resolve most connection and quality issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.